Today we are going to dive into a material that has generated a lot of curiosity. Paul Rubens oil pastels. Is it all that it is cracked up to be, or a huge disappointment? I'm going to test it and show you all the details. For those who don't know, Paul Rubens is a brand that is already quite respected in the art world, especially when we talk about watercolors. But have they managed to maintain the standard with these oil pastels? So let's get started. Paul Rubens oil pastels are classified as professional. The Paul Rubens oil pastel box is beautiful and very sturdy. They come with a brochure with all the sets of cases and colors available from the company. As soon as you open the box, there is a protective foam for the oil pastels. The packaging shows information about the color and the pigment number. So after trying it, what can I say? And buy my book Watercolor Flowers without the use of sketches on Amazon. It's still free for Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers. Enjoy, the link is in the video description.